Hello everyone. So today I am going to shoot this video after so long. So today is 26th April 2026 and today is my birthday, guys. So yeah, today I am here and this is the decoration of my birthday. So yeah, I am very happy to share with all of you that this decoration and this complete video of my birthday. Presently it is night 3:25 everyone when I'm cutting the cake with all these decorations, and this video will be continued until tomorrow, guys, where I will go to temple and then on night dinner everything will be shared with all of you. So please watch the birthday vlog until the end and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, keep continuing watching the vlog and please show your love to this channel so that I can bring more and more content for all of you. So yeah, be with me. So everyone, this cake is first of all for all of you. From my end, you all my subscribers, whoever has subscribed to my channel and is seeing my vlogs or shorts whenever I am posting it, thank you to all of you. And first of all, this cake is for all of you for supporting me in this YouTube journey. And and on behalf of you, I am eating this chocolate cake.
Ooh.
So everyone, good morning. So today starts the birthday day. So first of all, I came here to eat breakfast. This place I came before also during my office time. So today I came here for first I'll eat the breakfast and after that I'll go to temple. And then there are some other plans as well. So today whole day I'm going to share with all of you. So please do watch my vlog until the end and do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. So everyone, my darshanam to the temple is completed. So I came to this Peddamma temple which is at Jubilee Hills. So many days too I want to visit this temple since today is my birthday. So I decided to come here. I hope you can hear my voice. Actually there are mic sound is going on as much as loud I am trying to speak. So yes, successfully I have worshipped the God, and after that now some time I'll spend here, and then you can watch the rest of the vlog as well. I hope you will like this vlog because today birthday day I am sharing with all of you. So please do like, share and subscribe to the channel, and yeah, keep continuing watching my vlog. So everyone, after completing the darshanam, I have distributed chocolates, birthday cake, as well as some haldiram kind of bhujia to everyone outside the needy people. And this thing I do in every birthday of mine. It gives me happiness. And after that, that's it. Morning went, and after that some little part of the day is still pending. And today's complete vlog from yesterday night 12 after and today whole day I'm sharing with all of you. Hope you will like today's my vlog, and it is 2 hit, that's why I've taken one thumbs up for myself. So yeah, that's it. Keep continuing watching the vlog. So everyone, I came to the mall and it is evening almost when I came. So I'm doing some shopping today guys, because for my office dresses I have done shopping, and one white color shirt that I have attached the clip everyone. So that one is my birthday gift that I took, and now this some kurtis and some slacks I'm going to trial guys. So be with me in the whole vlog. Today's day was completely hectic, like yesterday night cake cutting celebration, and after that morning going to the temple, and then coming to the mall, and like little bit of shopping since it is birthday. So yeah, be with me and watch this vlog. I hope you will like this vlog, and please do like, share and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. So yeah, be with me. So everyone, I'm sharing this vlog with all of you, and this is my shopping that I have done in my birthday. So first of all, I took a white color shirt from which I attached to the clip from Pantaloons, and then I have bought some office wearing kurtis from Max, and one shorts as well. So these are the things I have done shopping today. So actually, to be honest, I didn't think to do any kind of shopping in this birthday, because last whatever dresses I have brought before, those dresses I didn't even wear until now. So I thought not to do, but since it's birthday, so I have done some shopping. So yeah, that's it. And now, as I said, evening I'm having some plans. I'm going to go to Barbecue Nation, everyone, which is at Nexus Mall. So table I have already booked. I'm going to go there today. I like to go to Barbecue Nation, to be honest with all of you, only in some kinds of celebrations. So yeah, be with me and watch this vlog. And please give your blessings and best wishes to me, since today is my birthday. So yeah, keep continue watching the vlog. So everyone, actually I am searching the Labby white color brand bag because I like that brand bag since 3-4 months. I am thinking to buy it, but it is out of stock. In I have seen it online also, and now also when I am checking it, it is not there. That bag I like so much. This is of a different brand, I think. Okay, this is of something London accessories. This one brand bag, which cost is around 3000. That bag was also almost 3000 only. So yeah, I'm thinking to buy one white color brand bag from so long. So I'm just seeing the collections here. A lot of other brand bag collections like Akira London, Accessories London, Leno Peros, these are available at Nexus Walk. So yeah, just seeing the collections. I hope I will buy one white color brand bag today, if possible, according to my choices. So everyone, this is the Labby handbag, which I was searching for so long, and I got it ultimately. And it is in the ground floor store of Nexus Mall. But the problem what has happened is because of people using it, there is dust and one chain is broken inside.
Chain broken in the
1 minute. This is the chain which is broken, guys. This bag is of 3000 baht, can you imagine? And chain one is broken, so I couldn't able to take it. I was really fond of this bag, and after searching a lot, I got it finally, but can't take because of some issues is there in this bag. So yeah, that's it. I'll keep it from online. Thank you. Disappointed, very disappointed.
Right.
So everyone, I came to Barbecue Nation just now and complete shopping. After that, my legs are literally paining out. A constant 3 hours I was roaming in the complete Nexus mall. Just I came around here I think at 3:30, and after that constantly I was walking and doing the shopping as I have shared with all of you. And after that I came to Barbecue Nation, and here let's see how the taste of the food is. So in every birthday I try to come to Barbecue Nations or else some kind of a buffet kind of structured restaurants I try to come. So I hope you have liked today's vlog. From yesterday to until today, whatever I have done, I have shared with all of you. And thank you for the family of 377 subscribers, which means a lot to me. Because this much of subscribers, whatever is given, is meant a lot to me, because along with the pressure of the office, whatever little bit content I am able to post, it's all because of your support. So yeah, please, if you are watching my channel and videos or shorts and not subscribing, then please do subscribe the channel. And if the video is lengthy, then please do bear with me for today, because since it was a special day today, so the vlog might go some long. So please do bear with me. Yeah, that's it. Keep continuing watching the vlog. So everyone, now the starters items started. So here I am having this prawns and mutton sheikh kebab along with chicken tikka kebab. So the taste is as usual good. And yeah, before that I had soup and some pasta and salad. So yeah, I am enjoying Barbecue Nation food after so long. Might be after 5-6 months before I came. So again 5-6 months after I'm having this food. So yeah, that's it. Keep continuing watching the vlog, and also until the end of this vlog I'll show you what items are there today in Barbecue Nation. It's Sunday today actually, Sunday today 26th of April. I am recording this video. So yeah, keep continuing watching the vlog, and also I wish you everyone a very happy weekend since it's Sunday. Hope you are doing good and enjoying with your near and dear ones. Keep continuing watching the vlog. very tired because just yesterday night I slept for only 2 hours to plan the day according to my how I thought. So this is the brownie that I took for the dessert and slices of watermelon. Before I have had that filling, which was good in taste, and also I had gulab jamun, which a glimpse I shared with all of you. Main course I couldn't eat that much because almost after eating the starter I was filled, and every time whenever I came to Barbecue Nation, once the turn comes of the main course, I am completely filled up. Please excuse me if you are not hearing my sound.
Yeah.
Thank you. Please excuse me if you are not hearing the sound. So, but actually I am trying my level best to make all of you hear. So everyone, I hope you like today's vlog where I have shared with all of you the complete birthday vlog. Whatever I did throughout the day, I have shared with all of you in short glimpses. I hope you will like today's video. So if you like today's video, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, that's it. Until the next vlog, come to this channel. Till then, stay safe, happy, positive and healthy. Bye bye, good night, take care. Bye bye.